Okay, hello. This is my first video on my YouTube channel. Second take of trying to do it because stupidly leaked my name, but it is what it is. I don't know if anyone's going to see this, but this is mainly for myself and for my future self to see how sad I was that I lost basically everything I have. Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, I guess. So basically what happened, I guess, is a good place to start is, I started with trading crypto, early this year in September. Thought it was a good time to get in. And it ended up starting out really bad because we had that September crash through September, but then in October we had that rally and it was really good and I was feeling nice and I kept dollar cost averaging more and more. And yeah, some of that money, not even mine, I guess, but a lot of pocket money that I didn't earn myself. So like my own part-time job couldn't cover it. But yeah, so that's that. And then come November, it goes down. I feel like it's a better time to start scaling in now. Do it again. December. Now it's December 4th, Saturday. And I got burnt again. And I'm wondering if this is the last time, but probably not. The market always does what you expect it least to do. Was expecting a Santa Claus rally or something to get Bitcoin over 100K, but that didn't happen. Yeah, it's pretty depressing that I've gotten burnt this hard. It's only a few $1,000s, but you know, it's still a lot of money, and my parents would not be pleased if they knew that I'd lost this much. But you know, I think for now I'll keep this loss to myself. The money lost is my money anyway from my job, and my parents might call me stupid for it, but at the end of the day, that's my money, right? So yeah, that's why I'm not going to say anything for now. And I always think that there is a possibility for it to go back up. I think we might be into that maximum pain where the market just, you know, they think that the bear market is going to come in or something like that. And to be honest, it might. I might lose way more than I have now, but you know, I guess I'm okay with that. I set out, I only wanted to invest what I could afford to lose anyway. And it's tough losing it, but again, before I started investing in this, I told myself that if I lost it all, you know, it would be okay. So yeah, let's get on to how much I actually lost. So on my main spot account, so where I have the actual currencies, it's down around $1,000 from its height, 1,000 something. Yeah, and on my trading platform, which I use FTX for, I opened up some risky positions, and today they all got liquidated, so that's nice. They say that you never really lose money until you realize your losses. Well, today I was kind of forced to realize those losses, which I knew came at the expense of playing with leverage, but I thought it was only 2 times, and that even if it went down so low, like I wouldn't get burnt. But I guess the lesson learned is that when you use something as risky as Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral to take out even more riskier leverage position on something like VeChain, then that really significantly increases your risk of getting burnt, and that which it did to me. So yeah, realized losses of around $500 USD. That kind of sucks. At least my positions weren't liquidated, so I still have, or I mean, my positions weren't closed forcefully, so I still do have those positions. I'm still long-term bullish. I guess that's something I should say. But yeah, I really believe in the fundamental technology of blockchain and cryptocurrencies and that, but short term, I don't know, it was just a wrong idea. I mixed a long-term thesis with a short-term for a short-term gain, and it didn't work. I got banned, and now I really wish I'd started now, so then I could have started building up a position now. But obviously that's like hindsight, right? Hindsight trading. But yeah, I mean, thought I knew better than the market, but clearly not. From now, I guess I should just, all I can do is kind of hope that those positions don't get closed down forcefully. I deposited a tiny bit more collateral for my CoinSpot account just to cover my bases, but we'll see. It's on a nice edge. I'm on thin ice right now. That's all I should say. Yeah. It's a lot for a 17-year-old like me, you know. A few $1,000s is not going to be a lot in the long run, but right now it hurts. And yeah, I just want my future self to remember that this is how much I lost, you know.
What do you want to be reminded
Oh, that's Siri. That yeah. It's losses happen. This is my first real big loss, and yeah, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, I guess. It happens. I should have been more expecting of that and not just 100% thought that I could be in profit. But lessons learned, right? Lessons learned. We'll see in the next few weeks. The traditional markets are looking quite weak. They might break down through. They might break down, and I guess the central rally of 2021 might not happen. And that big supply shock from Ethereum and Bitcoin, illiquid supply, like going up. Maybe like that supply shock won't happen. That price at least for the next few months. So I don't know. I'm in for the long haul. Not gonna put any more into that risky leverage trading business. And yeah, I kind of rambled a bit, kind of repeated myself, but in conclusion, if nothing else got to you, future me reading this, then it's to expect the unexpected, and that it's hard to lose. It's hard to lose money, and I know myself in the future is going to be laughing at this while he's making a lot more, but relatively speaking, it's a lot. And yeah, if anyone ever watches this, I hope that they take this as a cautionary tale, not to over leverage themselves, or be too confident in their ability to trade, I guess. And yeah, I'll continue to, going forward, I'll continue to be dollar cost averaging into buying the actual underlying cryptocurrency and not a position that could get liquidated. And yeah, I'm really excited for what the future holds. Goodbye.